Tired of your Peachtree accounting data feeling like a giant, unorganized mess? Let's fix that by setting up departments for crystal clear reporting. First, open your Peachtree 2010 software, which is now known as Sage 50. We're diving into the heart of your company's structure today. Head up to the Maintain menu at the top of your screen, and then click on Company. This is where we'll define the organizational backbone of your business. In the Maintain Company window, click on the Departments tab. This is our command center for creating and managing your departments. Now, let's create our first department. Click the New button. This will open a new window where we'll define the details of your department. Enter a unique department ID. Think of something short and easy to remember, like sales or marketing. Then, type in a more detailed description, like sales department or marketing department, clarifying the department's role. Repeat this process for each department you want to create. For example, you might add departments for administration, manufacturing, or customer service. Once you've added all your departments, click Save in the Department window, then close the Maintain Company window. You've successfully set up departments in Peachtree. Now, you can use these departments to allocate transactions and generate detailed reports, giving you a clear picture of each department's financial performance. See you next time.